In this class we will learn how to locate the center of gravity of the piece, know its physical properties and apply temporary cuts to solid models. Let's start by opening the file available in class. For a better visualization, we will perform a temporary cut on the template. One way to do this quickly is to choose the desired plan for cutting, start a sketch and type F7. See that the cut is shown. Another way to apply cuts to solid templates is to access the A Viewer tab and in the A Appearance panel select one of the available cropping options. With the A quarter section view option, Inventor will keep only a quarter of the piece. Just select a plane where you want to cut, press A Enter, select another cut plane and press A Enter again. Look at the result. To exit the clipping view, we click this option. Another cutting option is the A half section viewer, which cuts the model based on a single plane. Simply select a plane and press A Enter to create the cut. Proceeding, let's look at how to locate the center of gravity of the model. In the A Viewer tab, a visibility panel, we activate the command A Center of Gravity. See that there is a point in the model, which is the center of gravity, from which the X, Y and Z axes depart, forming the main planes of the piece. When you click this command again, we stop displaying the center of gravity. To view the exact values of each axis for the center of gravity, in the A Fill E menu we click on A Property ASA and select the A Physical tab. We can modify the material of the part to view the changes in its physical properties, such as mass, area and volume, as well as changes in the coordinates of the center of gravity. We have seen in this class how to check the physical properties of the piece and how to apply cuts to solid models.